Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So I don't know what happened to the audio because when I connected the extension wire to the mic, it was just a buzzing sound. So I have to do this voiceover all over again. So as you can see, looks like I have 8 boxes of stuff for this week to unbox. Let's go ahead and start from the top. It's very lightweight. I wonder what it can be. Could it be like a SIM card or a TF card or something? It's super lightweight. Oh, it looks like one of these iPhone extension cord or charge cable. Okay, start things off slow, you know. Next up, okay, it looks like there's a pretty big box inside this packaging, brown packaging. I hope it's something useful. What can it be though? It looks like it's a what's this, a scuba gear diving set? I'm not even that good of a swimmer. I'm definitely not a scuba diver. Never went scuba diving. But hey, that's my first set of scuba diving gear, I guess. Pretty excited about that. But how am I gonna review it? All right, next up is also another pretty big box inside this packaging. Padded envelope. Hopefully it's electronic. I love reviewing electronic devices or tools. And it looks like it's a, what is this? TES. Let me open up and show you guys. Oh, I think it's one of these docking stations. You can plug so many devices in there. Oh, that would be helpful, especially so many people working from home. Well, let's check out this other box. Almost halfway through. It's also something pretty heavy. Oh man, this voiceover is definitely not my full-time job. It's just so weird doing this. Oh, check it out! It's a fan on a tripod. I think this is for for a baby, like a baby carriage fan or something like that. That's pretty cool to have. All right, next up we have also another box. 2 small box for shoes, and it's pretty lightweight. What can it be? Oh snap, what is that? Oh, it's a speaker. Check it out. It's one of those waterproof speakers. Oh, so I can listen to my music while taking a shower. That's pretty cool. I always wanted one of those. You know, sometimes when you're taking a shower, it can take pretty long. So listening to music, it definitely start off the day proper, you know, make you happy. Well, it depends, I guess, what kind of music you listen to. All right, this is a pretty flat box. Backpack, perhaps? A blanket? What is that? Oh, snap. It's a desk, it's a floor lamp. Okay, I could probably use this in my bedroom or in the living room. That'd be pretty cool to have. Light up the way, you know, to watch movies or read a book. Or down to second to last package. Yeah, hoping for something cool again. Can it be? It looks like it's a, what is this? Oh, a digital picture frame. Wow, so many pictures I could put in these. I've always wanted this. So I could probably, you know, I'm gonna put some Kira pictures in here. So I'll be happy to show off that. All right. And last package, pretty lightweight. I'm guessing a backpack, perhaps? Some type of tool? What can it be? Something I could use in my gym. Oh, snap. Look at that. When I see the countdown timer, I knew that it is the huge digital wall clock. Perfect for the gym. So I know when is my next set coming up. So you don't want to take too many breaks, especially you guys, you know, bodybuilding or just into exercising. Yeah, pretty excited about that. All right, so this is my current videos. That's my YouTube life.